The next area of concentration must be about your team. So you want to make the investor understand that your team are able to deliver on the demands that your solution requires. So whether your solution is going to require product development and product sales, you want to communicate that you have a winning team that is able to deliver on those. And how, just think about this. Remember that Steve Wozniak will make the product, but Steve Jobs always knew how to make money out of it. The same with Bill Gates and Paul Allen. Paul Allen could build a product, or he knew a lot about product building and coding as well, but Bill Gates always knew how to put out the business stuff and how to make sure it made them money. So you are communicating to the investors that, okay, we've determined the riskiest part of our business and we have a team that is able to deal with that. So one of the best ways or means of communicating that you have a winning team is to demonstrate that you have an experienced team that has also the expertise of that particular field. You could actually have on your team somebody who is a business owner who may not necessarily understand how that niche works, but their business experience will carry them through. Okay, investors understand that. You might communicate that you have a professor or a lecturer in a particular niche, or in your particular niche that's going to add value to what you're doing. So really, it's about you being able to demonstrate the value that your team have added up so far. So what value have they added to what you're doing? Have they brought you to find investors? Have they brought you to meet new partners? Has your team helped you to put together your business plan? Or has your team helped you to make any sales? Have they helped you in your product development? Have they helped you to put together those who are going to code for you? Have they helped you to put together those who are going to manufacture your product? Have they found you? Have they outsourced and found you maybe manufacturers abroad or whatever it is? You must demonstrate the value that your team have added so far.